This tutorial will walk you through how to create a pleated drawstring bag that you can make using remnants from 2 different contrast fabrics. This is great to use for a small dice bag for your D&D sessions or just as a cute little drawstring bag for everyday items. I also have a free PDF pattern that you can download if you visit the link in my description, so that you can print out the pieces and follow along with the step-by-step tutorial. Start by lining up the strips of fabric, alternating between colors, and then sew along the long sides together. Once sewn together, you want to make pleats. Do this by folding the wider pieces in half so that you can line up the shorter pieces. This will hide the contrast color underneath the pleats. Make sure to press the pleats for crisp edges, then baste along one of the long edges to keep the pleats together. On the unbasted side, you want to fold each fabric flap over to reveal the contrast color. And then you want to baste this side in place too. Next, you want to fold the bag in half with right sides together and sew down the side to make a loop. Gather one side of the bag and sew across all the layers. This will create the base of your drawstring bag. After sewing, you can trim the seam to reduce bulk. Now you want to repeat that for the lining of the bag. So fold the lining in half and sew, and then collect one end and sew across all the layers, trimming the ends to reduce bulk. Now you want to place the lining inside of the bag, wrong sides together, and baste the upper edge together. Now it's time to prep the casing. Make a narrow hem on both sides of the drawstring casing pieces. Now you want to sew both of the drawstring casing pieces to the upper edge of the bag. Make sure to sew through all layers and then press the casing up and away from the bag. Fold the casing over on the inside and stitch. You can ditch stitch or edge stitch depending on what you're more comfortable with. Now all you have to do is insert the string. You need 2 pieces of string for this. Each piece of string will go all the way around through both casings. One string you'll insert through the left side, thread it all the way around so it comes back out the left. The other will start on the right side and go all the way around so it comes back out the right. And that's it, you're finished. You have a cute swirly drawstring bag.